In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust Ray-Ban nose pads. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The nose pads on most Ray-Ban models can be easily adjusted, so if they aren't fitting comfortably or you would like to have them adjusted, you can do it yourself without the usage of any specialized tools. So these are going to be extremely malleable. First, I'm going to be talking how to adjust them if you have these ones that have the metal frames. And later, I'm going to be addressing what to do if you have a plastic frame. First, for these ones that have a little tiny metal part holding them together, it's as simple as moving them into place. So using your fingers, gently put them into position. There's no secret to this. You will be able to adjust them up or down, towards you, away from you, however you prefer. Just make sure that it is fitting comfortably, that it is not too tight or too loose. So these are going to be malleable and they will hold their shape after you adjust them. So just drag them into place according to how snug you want them to be. Once you mold them using your fingers, these metal hooks will hold them in place and they will be usable. They should still kind of adjust around your nose, so they should form on their own, even after you give them a little push using your fingers and putting them in a comfortable position. Even if they aren't symmetrical, that should be fine. Now, if you have these ones that have a plastic frame, it is going to require a little bit more work because they aren't as malleable as the metal pads. For this, the best thing that you can do is to try to soak them in warm water, which makes this plastic more malleable. Once the plastic is malleable, you should carefully shape them into position. This should be done extremely gently because you do risk ripping them off or cracking them. But as long as you adjust them after dropping a little bit of warm water, either by using a cloth or letting them submerge, you will be able to mold the plastic into position. For the ones that have the metal parts, it's as simple as using your fingers to position them. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Ray-Ban nose pads. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.